Entertainment, get ready for the baby crawl race. It is presented by Ochsner Children's Hospital. Right about now, it's time to introduce your baby crawl race competitors. Number 1, from Algiers, Miss Nugget. Number 2, from New Orleans, the Lil Easy. Number 3, from Harvey, Miss Dribbler. Number 4, from Mireille, Pelican Pack. Number 5, from Lakeview, the Big Crawfish. Number 6, from Mandeville, King of the Court. Number 7, from Algiers, Fast in the Formula. Number 8, from Chili Gentilly, Sir Charles, Crawler of the Court. Number 9, from the West Bank, the Beignet Baller. Number 10, from Baton Rouge, the Grady O'Flyer. Number 11, from New Orleans, New Ballin'. And number 12, from Slidell, the Swap Swaddler. And number 13, from Chauvin, the King Cake Crawler. Give it up for all 13 of our baby contestants. All right, we're about to see who's got the speed, who's the fastest crawler, who can make it from end to end. All right, and for this moment of their entire lives, it's their chance to put their training to the test. The babies will race across the court, and the first baby to crawl across the finish line is going home with over $700 worth of prizing. And that's courtesy of Ochsner Children's Hospital, including the coveted Baby Crawl Championship Trophy. All right, babies, are you ready? I can't hear y'all. Are you ready? On your marks, get set, and go! And we have a front runner, and number 11 is off to the races, headed for the finish line. And we have a number 1. We have a winner. Number 11. That might be a record for the fastest baby in all of Louisiana. Give it up one more time for all our babies that participated. And we're gonna take it to Theo for a post-game interview. See what that baby has to say.
All right, New Orleans, so congratulations to all of our participants, but let's hear it again for New Orleans. You are the winner of our baby crawl race, presented by Ochsner Children's Hospital. Now, family, we got a question that we want to ask you. Now, Jabria got the first question. So, Jabria, step on up, let them hear what you got.
What did you bring to get your baby to come here?
His cup. His cup. He loves his cup. You ain't gotta go to sleep with it, wake up with it. He loves his cup.
All right, last question for you. Now, they said they brought the cup, but let's talk a little bit about the training. So, how was that training regimen to make sure that this baby got the victory for today? Mom, what you got?
He's just a fast mover.
Sometimes it just pays to be speedy. Let's hear it once again for this family. Make some noise. Congratulations for New Orleans. And thanks for all of our babies participating in the baby crawl race presented by Ochsner Children's Hospital.